Welcome to Redline Review.
The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros STX Motorhome, especially the Brabus Big Boy 1200, embodies mobile living elegance and innovation. STX Motorhomes and Brabus customized this 12-meter, 26-ton Mercedes Actros chassis for an unmatched travel experience. Chassis and performance: Mercedes-Benz Actros truck platform, 12.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine with 523 horsepower, automatic transmission, top speed limited to 56 miles per hour, 90 kilometers per hour. Drive requirements: Category C HGV license for size and weight. Interior amenities: the living space is approximately 30 square meters and may be expanded with 4 slide-out modules. The lounge has 2 Brabus-quilted leather sofas, a 43-inch smart TV, and Sahari carpets. The kitchen has an induction cooktop, oven, dishwasher, fridge, wine fridge, and coffee machine. The dining area features designer chairs and a huge black table for 4. Master bedroom: double bed, huge closet, desk, second TV with PlayStation 5. Spa-style bathroom: natural stone walls, rainforest shower, heated towel rail, and separate vanity technical features. Heating and cooling: 8 solar panels and energy storage system power. Underfloor heating and AC. Entertainment: Bose sound system and Starlink connectivity. Security: 360-degree surveillance and digital entry code. Water tanks: 650 liters fresh water, 270 liters of gray water, black water, 170 liters. Pricing: base price around €1,260,504 or £1,057,000. Pros: luxury, inspired by private jets. Space: large living area with slide-outs. Technology: satellite internet and advanced security systems. Cons: high buying price restricts accessibility. Size: restrictions in certain places and special authorization required. Fuel efficiency: large engines may consume more fuel. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros STX Motorhome epitomizes luxury and innovation in the motorhome business, offering unmatched comfort and cutting-edge technologies for the ultimate vacation experience.